Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be dyeing this hair. I want like a brownish look, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but yeah, I'll be dyeing this body wave from Chinalacewig to a brownish honey brown. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing, guys, but yeah, so stay tuned and keep watching to see how I change it from this color to the brown. Okay, so I will be using this bleach from Care to turn it into a blonde color. So the funny thing is that I didn't really use the Revlon because I was going to use it after I bleached it like super blonde, but it didn't go as planned. But I really love how it looked. So what I did here, guys, I will be mixing the activator into that powder and just stir that up, and then when you're done, you will be, using the paste on the wig. That's all. So on the box it says if you want like a dark blonde, you need to let the dye sit in the hair for like 40 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm setting up my timer and then start counting. So now it's time to finally wash the wig. So I put the hair in a plastic and in the microwave for like I think 30 seconds just to warm it up. Now I'm washing it out. I'm rinsing the dye out using my Revlon shampoo. Guys, I am so shocked. Like, the hair is so soft. The conditioner and the shampoo from Revlon made my hair so soft. Like, wow. So I'm so happy with the results. The hair feels so soft and so amazing. So now what I'm going to do, after I've towel dried my hair, I'm going to be using like tweezers to just pluck the front of the hair. So I'm going to start right there, just like that, and keep combing out just to see how much more I need to pluck the hair. This is how the frontal looks when you are done plucking the hair. The hair is a bit dry, but before I use any heat, I'm going to be using my care serum just to add some shine, and to avoid any further breakage of the hair. So now that I'm done combing my hair, I know how I want my hair to look like. So I'm going to add mousse just so that my hair can stay down and also keep that hump that I want right there, because I want to show the natural hairline. So the night before I twisted and then I put my hair in like cute bantu knots, but I didn't really like the curls, so after taking out the curls I will straighten the hair. So I'll be using my Maybelline powder in the shade 330, just to try to make my hairline look natural as possible. So when I'm done, I will be straightening my hair because I'm not really feeling the wavy hair, and this is how the hair looks when it's straight, and I'm really loving it, and the quality is so amazing, and I'm so happy that the hair is not shedding because of that hair dye. So yeah. So that is it. I am done with the hair, and this is how it looks when I am done. Yay! I really love this hair. I am so obsessed, and I'm enjoying this color. Okay.